Forget everything you've heard about affiliate marketing. That's exactly how this product starts. Today, we're looking at Super Affiliate Formula, a training course by Paul Nichols that claims to reveal the affiliate marketing system he says generated over $186,000 in affiliate commissions and more than $500,000 from online business activities over the years. But is this course actually worth buying, or is it just another affiliate marketing product making big promises? Let's break it down. What is Super Affiliate Formula? Super Affiliate Formula is a training course created by Paul Nichols, an affiliate marketer and the owner of Coffee Shop Income. The course focuses on a free traffic affiliate marketing strategy that Paul says he's been using for more than a decade. The main idea is that most affiliates struggle because they're following outdated advice, while successful affiliates use a different approach that focuses on proven campaign structures and systems. What do you get? The course includes a case study showing how Paul reportedly generated over $2,000 from a campaign, a step-by-step guide explaining his affiliate marketing process, a template that he claims to have used for more than 10 years, training on common mistakes and pitfalls to avoid, and one unusual bonus is PLR rights, meaning buyers can potentially resell the training themselves depending on the license terms. What I like. One thing I like is that the creator focuses on affiliate marketing fundamentals rather than claiming AI will magically make you rich. The sales page repeatedly mentions that success still requires human judgment and execution. I also like that the offer appears simple. Instead of overwhelming buyers with dozens of complicated modules, it seems focused on a single affiliate strategy. The included case study and template may also be useful for beginners who prefer learning from examples. Potential downsides. Now let's talk about the concerns. First, the sales page heavily emphasizes income screenshots and earnings claims. While screenshots can be motivating, they don't prove that every buyer will achieve similar results. Second, the exact strategy isn't fully revealed before purchase. Most of the page focuses on the story behind the system rather than explaining the actual process. Third, affiliate marketing still requires effort. Even if the training is legitimate, buyers will still need to choose offers and create content, drive traffic, and test campaigns. There is no evidence that simply buying the course will automatically generate commissions. This course may be suitable for beginners interested in affiliate marketing, people looking for free traffic methods, marketers who want to study another affiliate marketer's process, anyone interested in templates and campaign frameworks. It may not be ideal for people expecting instant results or a completely automated business.
How would you like me to show you my exact super affiliate system that I've been using for over a decade to make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars by using 100% free traffic? Well, if you've been on the internet for any length of time, you're going to quickly realize that affiliate marketing is very popular and it is very profitable if you do it the right way. Maybe you've been trying to crack affiliate marketing for a while. Maybe you're just struggling. Maybe you don't know what you're doing wrong. The chances are you are doing it completely wrong. I was in the exact same position back in about 2012. I wasn't making hardly any money from my affiliate campaigns and my promotions, and I just honestly didn't know what I was doing wrong. So I spent many months reverse engineering and spying on the super successful affiliates in my industry at the time, and I quickly worked out exactly what they were doing, and I managed to reverse engineer that. And then I also put a few of my own spin on things as well, which made things even more profitable. The result is I came up with my own super affiliate system, which works absolutely brilliantly. When you see some of the stats that I'm now going to show you, it's going to shock you at how much money you can actually make using this system. As I said, I used to be a normal affiliate many, many years ago, but I got so fed up not making hardly any money, something had to change. And this is why I came up with my own system, and I decided to test things and try different things out. And it worked extremely well, as you're now going to see. Now, there is another thing I will just quickly say. You can also use what I'm now going to show you to sell your own products and services as well. And this works just as well. You can make just as much money. So you can use what I'm now going to show you in Super Affiliate Formula to sell your own products and other people's products as well. You can do both. It's extremely profitable. I've been doing this for many, many years. I've made almost 200 grand as an affiliate and well over $500,000 by using this to sell my own stuff as well. So it works extremely well for doing both. And remember, you also get PLR rights as well to this Super Affiliate Formula. So let's go over, and I'm now going to show you some proof at just how much money I've made by using this Super Affiliate Formula on some affiliate campaigns that I've been running over the last so many years. So this first screenshot that I'm going to show you is the campaign that I recently ran. So this works just as well today as it did over a decade ago when I started to use it. So this is a campaign that I ran just a couple of weeks ago. I sent 165 people. This is completely free traffic, 100% free traffic, and that resulted in 59 sales, a 35% conversion rate, a $12 EPC, and over $2,000 in pure profit. This is just over a few days. This is what I ran. This is the campaign that I ran just recently. So here's some other campaigns that I've ran, and you can see exactly how profitable this is, but also pay attention to the conversion rates, because the conversions that I generate on my affiliate campaigns blow everything else out of the water. These are conversion rates that a lot of people just simply don't believe that are actually possible. But using the Super Affiliate Formula that I'm going to show you in this works absolutely brilliantly. It's been working for many years. As I said, I still use it even today. So this one, 199 hops, 101 sales, a 50% conversion rate, and $2,440. Remember, most people, and I'm talking basic affiliates, will see conversions from anywhere from 1 to 3 or even 5% if they're lucky. This is converting at 50.8%, almost 51%. So the next one, this one's a 44% conversion rate, 95 sales from just 214 hops. And this has made $2,519. This one, 34%, $1,022 from just 111 clicks, and that resulted in 38 sales. This one's 259 clicks. That resulted in 86 sales, a 33% conversion, and $2,265. This one is $1,896, 42% conversion rate with 80 sales from just 189 hops. This one is 44% conversion, $2,519. 117 sales from a 30% conversion rate, $2,950. $4,057, 280 sales from 905 clicks. This was one of the bigger campaigns that I ran, but it just goes to show this still converted at 30%. So a massive promotion that made me some really good money. This one, 176 sales, 176 hops, 74 sales, and 42% hop conversion, and that resulted in just over $800. This one, $865 from 104 sales, 55% conversion rate, $997 from a 63% conversion rate, 90 sales from just 142 people. That was insane. $1,022. That's a 34% conversion rate, 31% conversion rate, 1,103. 48% conversion rate, 1,110, and $1,367. This is a 45% conversion rate with 111 sales from just 243 people. So you can quickly see that the super affiliate system that I've been using, it works extremely well. It is very, very profitable. But as I said, it also works just as well when you sell your own products as well. So whether you want to use my super affiliate system to make money as an affiliate or by selling your own stuff, you can do both. So I've recently just passed $1 million. These are digital items, digital products that I've sold in my business over the last so many years, And every single time I sell anything on the internet, I use my super affiliate system. So you can see just how profitable this actually is. Remember, you also get PLR rights with super affiliate formula. So if you pick this up, you get to go through everything, learn from it, use it in your own business, increase your sales, increase your conversions, and then at the same time, you can use this for the PLR rights, and you can either sell this on or give it away as a bonus. It's entirely up to you. So whichever way you look at it, it's a win-win. But if you want to grab this right now, click the button below, because the price won't be this cheap for very long. So make sure you go and grab it as soon as you possibly can. Pick up super affiliate formula, and also you get automatically, you will get the PLR rights which comes with it. So if you're struggling as an affiliate and you're fed up not making anywhere near as much money as you'd like to, and you see everyone else making all this money, well, this is exactly how you can start taking your campaigns to the next level every single day whenever you run campaigns as an affiliate. And also you can use this to sell your own stuff as well. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, doesn't matter what niche you're in or what market, this works in just about any industry out there. So click the button below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.